Sort the picture if it's big or what is this?
Small.
Small. Big or small? Look at this dwarf. Which one is big and which one is small? Sort mo po. Which one? Is that big or small? Small and what? Which one is big? Which one is big? Like this, oh. Look, oh. Small and big dwarf. Small, big. Okay? Next picture. Igloo. Which one is big and which one is small? Are you sure? Look at the picture. Look at the both picture. Which one is big and small?
Small.
Small. How about this one? Is this big or small? Which one? Again. Look at this. Which one is big? Yan. And then the next one is small. Small. Look, small. Big and small. Okay, next. Umbrella. Which one is big and which one is small? Small and big. Oh, which one? Look mo. Look. Which one? Yan. Small and big. Okay, next. How about the oval? Which one is small and which one is big? Okay, big oval and what's that? Big or small? Is small. Okay, very good. Next one. Elephant. Oh, which one is big and which one is small? Which one? Big. Which one is big? Look at the picture. Which one is big? Where's the big elephant? Big elephant. Yeah, big. Go. Big elephant and small elephant. Okay, next. Ant. Look at the ant. Which one is big and which one is small? Oh, look mo. Big and small. Look mo mabuti. Oh, where's the big ant? Big ant. Which one? Big. Big and small. How about the small? Yan. Big and small. Okay, next. Hexagon. Which one is big and which one is small? Okay, small and
Hexagon.
big hexagon. Oh, look mo. Which one? Where's the big? Big hexagon. Where is it?
Big hexagon.
Big hexagon. Big. How about the small? Look mo. Hazen, look mo mabuti. Hazen, focus here. Where's the big hexagon? Big. Small. How about the small one? Where's the small? One lang, one. Ganyan lang, oh. Small and, look mo. Small and big. Okay? Next. Last one. Ink. Which one is big and which one is small? Small ink and big ink. Which one? Hazen, look mo po. Which one is big? Sige. Look mo again. Where's the big ink? Get the big ink. Big. No. Listen to me. Listen. Big. Where's the big one? Big one. Big ink.
Big ink.
And small ink.
Small.
Yun. Okay, very good. High five. Okay, good. Hazen, sort the colors. What color is here? Go. Come on, sort the color. Color. Rita. Okay, next. Next, what color is this? Okay. Red. Next color. Okay, what are you reading? Get my purple. Where's the purple? Purple. Purple. Listen to me. Purple. Next, orange. Next, orange. That's okay na. That's it. Oh, next, orange. It's okay. That's fine now. Next, orange. 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 It's okay na. Do not remove po. Orange. Get orange. Shoot. Sige, kaya mo yan. Yellow. Pink. Pink. Blue. Blue. Purple. Purple. Oh, purple. Listen to me. Purple. Okay, very good. Yellow. Orange. Pink. 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 Purple. Blue. Yellow. Orange. Pink. Pink. Oh, listen. Pink. 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 Where's the color pink? Okay. Purple. 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 Hazen, look at the color. Purple. Orange.
You take the rest. Go out.
Hindi mo yan. Blue. Blue, blue, blue. Pink. Last one. Blue. Okay, very good. High five. Okay.
Samtin pagtapos niya.